How to convert crypto instantly in Huobi. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap on the trade option at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on convert in the trading menu. Here you will see two options, instant and limit. Select instant option. Here you can select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from and the cryptocurrency you want to convert to, such as Bitcoin to USDT or Ethereum to Bitcoin. Enter the amount you wish to convert and the app will show you the estimated amount you will receive. Review the conversion details including fees and tap on convert to complete the instant conversion. The conversion will be processed immediately and the converted crypto will appear in your wallet. Using the instant convert feature is a fast and easy way to switch between cryptocurrencies without going through full trading orders. Now you know how to convert crypto instantly in Huobi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.